how to start an e-bike business. I know I'm very goofy these days. I did a video years ago about how to start an e-bike business. So now that it's been quite a few years and we've grown quite a bit since then, I would like to talk about it again. So I think that an e-bike business starts two ways, either very slow with no money, hardly any money, or people with lots of money backing. If you know how to fix them, that's your key, because then you can start slow. Obviously pick an area that doesn't have any, but take your time and write a business plan. I think that's important for any business, is that you need to have a business plan. All needs to go in writing. You need to have your cash flow, and then you have to develop relationships with suppliers. You must definitely have a really good online presence. And I would like to say that it's not been easy. It's not been easy at all. I have chipped away and taken it step by step by step, just trying to be as consistent and not take too many risks, and just don't grow over. So for example, I started in a 900 square foot garage, basically doing rentals and then moved to the next place in COVID, and then came to this big place, which I will tell you scared the absolute shit out of me. It was so scary, the rent and everything, but you also do need to invest to grow, and it's just deciding when to do that. And don't take out too many loans, because those will bury you. Loans they suck. I had one in the beginning and it was terrible. I paid it off in a year, but that was through my own funds because the interest was terrible. You need to know your products. You've got to know them inside and out. If you don't know everything, how is anybody else going to know anything? So that's why you got to get your hands dirty. You got to know how to fix them. You got to know the parts, and you also need to know your accounting. I highly recommend, as a business owner, to do your own books. So learn how to be an accountant, because that's where things can get so messy, and losses and all that kind of stuff. Maybe just start in one niche, like maybe just do bicycles or just do scooters until you can grow to the next level, or focus on the stand-up scooters or something like that. So yes, either a slow roll into it or get a shit ton of money from somebody and start bigger. But that's how I did it. And is it a great business? Yes, it absolutely can be most of the time, because e-bikes bring joy to people. I mean, most people are getting them because it's going to improve their life, and that feels good to help with that. So yeah, that's my vlog of the day.